Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be sharing with you the true Asian way of cooking rice. It basically takes only about 15 minutes to produce a bowl of perfectly cooked rice. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 80 grams of rice and 88 grams of water. Do note, this recipe is only for the serving of one. You may scale up the portion accordingly to the number of people you're serving. Now, we usually start by rinsing the rice. We'll need to pour some water over the rice and gently stir the rice around with our hand or a spoon to remove the dirt coating. Then, strain the rice till it's nice and dry, and make sure to remove any bad or damaged grains. After straining the rice, place them into a small bowl. I'm using a Chinese porcelain bowl here. Do make sure your bowl isn't too small as we'll need room for the rice to expand and for it to be cooked evenly. Next, we'll add in the water we've measured earlier and soak the rice in for about 30 minutes. Once we've done soaking the rice, we'll need to fill a pot with water with a depth measuring about 1 inch from the bottom and place a steam rack on top. Then, turn on the heat and observe as the water starts boiling. When the water starts to boil, carefully put the soaked rice along with the water in it on the rack. Cover the pot and let it steam at a medium heat for approximately 15 minutes until the rice absorbs most of the water. The rice should be tender at this point, and you have yourself a bowl of perfectly cooked rice. Steaming is arguably one of the best methods for single or small servings of rice. Just give it a try if you are staying alone and you will save yourself the hassle of using a rice cooker. And if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.